to set password on applications on Pixel 9a, you have to start by opening settings, and next you will have to scroll down and go for security and the privacy settings. Next you will have to scroll down again and just search for private space. Now tap on it once, input your screen lock, and right now you can hide or lock your private apps in a separate space. So here the short information, how it actually works, all of the steps, and we can finally click to set it up. Now we have to just wait a little bit. We can choose a new lock for private space, but you can also use your screen lock. So in my case, I'm just gonna use my screen lock. I don't want to create another password that I will have to remember. And now as you can see, to find a private space, we have to go to our apps list and then scroll down. So let's find out. Here I am, and there's actually the private space. So I can tap on it, and currently it's trying to scan my face, but I can still unlock it with my password. So now, as you can see, I can find here some apps, like for example, the Google Chrome.